Hello learners, welcome back to the Decode the Code. In this video, we are diving deeper into the Titanic dataset and exploring some essential data manipulation techniques using filtering, group by, aggregation and pivot table. So in Pandas, we will see all these practicals. By the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp of how to slice, group and analyze data efficiently. So let's get started. First, we'll see filtering. So filtering allows us to extract specific rows from our data set based on the conditions you have. So let's start by filtering passengers who survived. So simply we will load the data set, and here I have taking one variable survivors. So we are filtering out from our as our data frame name is Titanic. So we'll take the Titanic and we'll take the survived column, and in the survived column, as I have initially explained about the data set, that in survived there will be two numbers, 1 or 0. 1 means who survived and 0 means not survived. So here we are giving the condition survived is equal to 1. It means it will filter out the passengers who survived. And now we are displaying the first few rows, survivors dot head, and it will show our this. So like this. Okay, so I think I have already run this. So let me just clear all output and then let me run this for you again. Okay, so let's run this, and yes, so as I can see in survivors dot head, by default it will take 5. So it is showing the first 5 survived passengers. Now let's move ahead and see what we have. So this filters if we want, suppose, only the female survivor. So how we can do that? So let's see, not only female survivor, if suppose we want the female survivor who has the passenger class as the first class. So you can give both the condition, you can combine both the condition. So we will take as I have taken here one variable, and we are taking the survived column is equal to 1. It means we want the survived people, and what we want, the sex should be female, and also the passenger class should be first. So we want first class female survivor. So here we have given 3 conditions. The survived column, this column, I want the survived person, so the condition is 1, and then the sex gender should be female. So here, from here we will take female, and then passenger class should be first. So as you can see, in passenger class we have 1, 3, 2, like first class, second class, third class. So I have given passenger class as 1. So it will show me only it will filter out actually only the passengers who are female and also got survived from first class. So let's check this data set head. So yes, now here see that it is showing the survived, yes, passenger class, first class, and the all are females. So this filters only female passengers from first class who survived. Okay, so yes, now let's get more filtering method that we have, more advanced filtering method that we have in pandas. So one is in. So like if you want to filter multiple values in a column, we can use the is in method. So let's filter out all the passengers from first and second class. Okay, so previously I have asked only for first class. Now let's see if we want not only from first class, I want from second class also. So for second class, I have taken a variable, and now we are taking Titanic Pclass passenger class column. Over there we are using the is-in method, and is-in, what we want first class also and second class also. So we are providing a list here including 1 and 2, and then we are giving it to our dataset Titanic. Now let's see what we have in the head so that it will get clear to you. Okay, so now let's see what I wanted. I wanted first and second class passengers. Like, we haven't given here the survived or not survived. As you can see, only I want the passenger who is in first class and second class. So in, as you can see, the first uh, few like head of the data set. So in survived we have 1 0, because we haven't filtered out the survived, we only filtered out the passenger class, this column. So first and second only you will see, you will not see the third class here. Okay, so this was the one method, is in method. Now let's go ahead and see what we have. So like yes, so the next we have uh, to filter out all the female passenger who survived. So let me just write it for you, it will be better. uh, Filter all female passengers who survived. Okay, so let's filter out all the female passengers who survived. So here we have again two conditions. Like, I want female passenger also, first condition, and the second condition, they should be survived. So we need to pass two condition to filter out this line. So like we'll assign a variable, and then we'll apply both the condition on our Titanic dataset. So the first condition should be Titanic survived is equal to 1, means we will take our data set and we'll take the survived column. It should be 1, means it should be survived, and the Titanic sex column should be female, the gender column should be female. So after that we'll apply both the condition to the Titanic data set, and we will save in the female survivor variable. Now we will take the head of it. Let's see. Okay, so yes, as you can see, survived and the gender is female. Now if you want, like, yes, it is correct, let's take the tail also, so that, okay, so see, in tail also it is showing survived is all ones and the gender is female. Okay, cool. So now we have the last one with the filter. So this filter is with the group by. So now let's take filtering a step further, and we will use the group by method with filtering. So let's check survival rate for groups with at least 100 passengers. So yes, let's see. Group first we'll group by class and count passengers in each group. So what we can do, as we want uh, each group means we can do on the passenger classes. So here we'll take the count, and we'll group by each passenger class, and we'll take the size, and then we'll print it. And after that, over there we will filter out. So we will filter groups with at least 100 passengers. So large group is class counts, and the class count should be greater than or equal to 100. So let's see what we got. So yes, as you can see, passenger class, first class is 260, and second class is 184, and the third class we have 491. Means all the classes have more than 100 passengers. Okay, so this was the group by with filter. Okay. Okay, so now we have group by and aggregation. So uh, like uh, we have group by like just now I explained, group by is uh, when we apply some columns in a group, and we can apply more functions to it, like mean, median, mode, or a sum. All these are the aggregation functions. So when you apply aggregation on group by, so it is like that, group by and aggregation. So suppose I want to calculate the mean, age, and fare, okay, by passenger class. So by passenger class means we will here I want to group by the passenger class, and then over passenger class we want to get the mean, age, and fare. So what we will be doing, we will be taking the Titanic dataset and we'll be applying group by with the passenger class column, and then over there what I want to apply mean. Okay, mean to what column? Age and fare. So we are giving here a list which contain age and fare, and then we will be applying here mean. So as let me tell you, here I have taken a you can see it is the 2D list. Why? Because we have more than one uh, like column we are taking, that's why we are taking 2D. Now we will be applying mean over there, and we will be say, let's run and see the result. So yes, as you can see, the it has got applied, group by got applied by passenger class, and it is showing the first class, second class, and third class, and it has given the age and fare with the group by. So as you can see, on the first class we have mostly we have 38 age, and then fare this much, and like that same second class, third class, and like that. Okay, so let's get ahead and see the next one. Here I want to group by passengers class and calculate the mean, age, and fare. Okay, I think by mistake I wrote the same thing. It's fine. Okay, so the next one is survival rate by gender. So see how it is showing by male or female. So we will be doing the same thing. What I want to group by sex, and then we will be applying the survived column here. And as you can see, here I have taken only one column, so we are taking only one the list here we are providing. So keep in mind that if it is more than one, we have to take the 2D, and then dot mean. We want the survival rate by gender. So like mean we say around average, that's why. So let's see, run it and see female and the male survival rate by gender. Okay, the next one we have group by class and calculate survival rate. So again it is very easy. We will take the Titanic dataset and we'll group by for the passenger class, and we'll apply the same survived I want, so we will take the survived dot mean. Okay, and next one, it is here I have taken filter groups where the survival rate is above 100. So now this is the condition, so we need to write that condition. So I have taken a variable, and then on this survival rate, what I want, the survival rate should be greater than 50%, or we can have 0.5. And then let's see, we'll print it, what we are getting. Okay, so the passenger class of 1, and it is the 0.62963. Okay, so I hope now you have a good idea of group by and aggregation. So like how in SQL we apply group by and then aggregation method over there. In the same way, we do that. We apply and uh, we apply the group by and we apply aggregation functions over there. So that's it. Now next we'll having this pivot table for advanced analysis. Okay, so let's explore pivot tables, and it is a powerful way to analyze the multi-dimensional data in pandas. So let's create a pivot table to analyze the survival rate by both passengers, passenger class and gender. So let's see, Titanic.pivot table, and we will apply values as survived, and index we will be taking passenger class, column, sex, and aggregation function mean. So like that you can use, and it will show you the result. So passenger class here, values like what we have passed index as Pclass, so it has taken indexes as Pclass. Then columns, it has taken gender like female, male, and then aggregation function, what we passed mean, so it will give you the mean. Now we can say that this shows the survival rates across different classes and genders. We can also say that women, from this, as you can see, female and male percentage, so it is greatly higher in female. So women in first class had the highest survival rate, while men in third class had the lowest survival rate. Okay, so now let's create another pivot table showing the average fare paid based on passenger class and embarkation port. So I have taken the Titanic.pivot table, and we will be applying values as fare, as we want the average fare by class. So index we will be taking P class, and columns will be embarked, and we want average, so obviously aggregation function will put the mean. So let's see what result we will be getting. Okay, so as you can see, the passenger class is our index, and the columns we have embarked, and then we have result mean of it. So this helps us understand how fares varied based on the departure port and classes. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. We covered filtering data to extract specific passengers, and like grouping and aggregation data to find meaningful insights, and also pivot tables for multidimensional analysis. So if you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.